Louis-Philippe, what are you doing?
What's up, Nicolas, Jolicoeur?
What are you doing?
I'm just burning my cereal straw.
But why?
I don't need it.
Yeah, but you should use it in straw panels.
Straw what?
Straw panels.
Today we're gonna talk about what is the material, what are its properties, how does it work and what we use it for, what are its pros and cons, and quick information about it.
As the wood production is going down, a lot of researchers have been done to discover an alternative. Alberta Research, in cooperation with Panel Board Holding BV of the Netherlands, have developed straw panels with impressive properties. Those panels, called oriented structural straw boards, consist of straw pieces split in half, putting all together with adhesives. When they're compressed to a lot of heat and submitted to compressive layers, they become a panel just like wood panels or gypsum boards. In fact, their mechanical and physical properties are comparable to classic wood panels. Those boards are available with many sizes and thicknesses from 3 to 30 millimeters. The mechanical properties of straw panels look like those of wood sheathing. Straw panels have a high structural strength in both directions, horizontal and vertical. They also have a high load bearing, a good durability, and a good stability. They even have a higher resistance to breakages than gypsum plaster boards. Their water resistant capacity is higher than most of plywoods because they do not have any gaps or voids inside themselves. Furthermore, they're known to have a very good workability and an excellent nail holding capacity. What makes them so special is their resistance to fire. In fact, they are non-combustible because of the extreme high density needed to make them solid, allow them to resist to fire. Any other chemical products can be added during the process to make them fire retardant. The principal use of those panels are for insulating, and they're very efficient. In fact, the insulating capacity of a 60mm panel is bigger than the capacity of a 450mm brick wall. Like mentioned at the beginning, straw is an alternative to wood. It helps to preserve forests and therefore the environment. Also, straw is available all around the globe. Farmers harvest their wheat and straw comes with it as a byproduct, like a lot of other crops. When the crops are picked up, most of the straw will be wasted or burned. In fact, a lot of farmers burn their fields when they have too much of it. It sends in the atmosphere tons of carbon dioxide. When straw is used in straw panels, it gives it a second life and therefore allows us to decrease our impact on the environment and to reduce the air pollution. The adhesive used to get all the straw particles together is actually a MDI resin, the same as any other wood sheathing. The only thing that's different is that it is made without formaldehyde, which is a chemical product that causes cancer.
The basic material for the production of straw boards is dry, healthy cereal straw. Its drying, pressing, and storage are crucial steps affecting the successful manufacturing of high-quality products. Large square and round bales minimize the cost of transport and handling connected with a straw board material. Straw undergoes a strict inspection before processing. Afterwards, it's transported to a pressing machine where it is pressed to a 6 cm thick core at a high temperature and pressure and coated with a recycled cardboard paper. The straw boards leaves the production line in the form of an 80 or 120 cm wide endless strip that is cut to a specific length according to the customer's request. Then the cut edges are sealed and the straw board is subjected to a quality check. Finished products have been prepared for shipping and a wide range of applications. Straw panels can be used for a variety of structures ranging from one-story residential homes to multi-floor, multi-family dwellings, condominiums, hospitals, and more. Straw panels also have commercial applications like this 20,000 square foot commercial building for the Colusa Industrial Park in Colusa, California. As wood sheathings, straw panels can be used for interior and exterior sheathing, flooring, and roofing. They are also suitable for a variety of other specific end uses like subflooring, single-layer flooring as sheathing, ceiling, deck, structural insulated panels, webs for wood eye joists, industrial containers, mezzanine decks, and furniture. Typically, a single panel wall system or double panel wall system, with or without additional insulation, is used. They are a good alternative to the traditional building materials such as drywall gypsum board, fiberglass insulation, exterior particle board (OSB), concrete block, clay brick, and fireboards. Construction costs for builders are also reduced by as much as 50% due to reduced setup and installation process time. Unlike the OSB panels, straw panels can be used in load-bearing constructions. This way, interior walls can be made of straw panels but as non-load-bearing wall. This type of wall is more economical than conventional wall because they save us from framing the wall with wood studs. Straw panels are applied the same way as normal wood sheathing. Those prefabricated panels are screwed or nailed into the building by using a nail gun. However, buildings require standalone interior walls, which mean thicker panels than the one used for the exterior walls. To install them, we need special plates, connectors, and fasteners. As wood sheathing, straw panels are easy to install and are totally prefabricated off-site, so it guarantees a good quality but heavy product.
First of all, it decreases our negative impacts on the environment and reduces the air pollution. It preserves forests and they're not made of any chemical products bad for human health. Panels have very good properties like strength, durability, workability, and load-bearing. They have very good fire-resistant capacity, more than wood sheathing. The last of all, they have very high insulating capacity. The cost of those panels is more expensive than other OSB because of the small amount of raw materials. It means that not a lot of farmers are aware of that possibility instead of burning their fields, so the price is higher.
When combined with a typical clay plaster, it has a 2-hour fire protection, meaning that even with a 1000-degree fire burning for 2 hours on the inside, there is no noticeable temperature difference on the outside. In construction, straw is not only used on panels like these, it is also used in making straw bale panels for the construction of buildings. It provides a good insulation rate and is ecological.